Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the construction rat in Cook Burgers. To begin, you'll want to head over to the forklift area. There, you need to press the 2 green buttons you find. This important first step is absolutely necessary to ensure you can earn the special safety hat badge later on. Make sure both buttons are active before moving to the next stage of your rat adventure. Next, your goal is to get your hands on a yellow potion, which is key to becoming the construction rat. One way is to buy a strange potion from the supermarket for $30. Another option involves finding a potion within the sewers. To access the sewers, you must first locate and activate a specific switch, often found behind a brick wall near the bakery. If you choose the crafting route, head to the supermarket. You'll need to place a tomato box onto the designated place item spot. Then, deposit $15 into the place money area. The machine will then begin to produce potions. Keep trying until you receive a yellow potion, as this specific color is what you need for the construction rat transformation. Once you have that coveted yellow potion, simply drink it to transform into the mighty construction rat. As this special rat, you gain fantastic abilities. You can now confidently drive forklifts around the map, and you'll also be completely immune to pesky rat traps. Plus, you get to sport a cool safety hat. Have fun exploring with your new construction powers.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.